Is your BenQ monitor showing a no signal message? This means your monitor isn't receiving data from your computer. The most common causes are cable issues and incorrect input settings. First, check your cables. Ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cable is securely connected to both your monitor and computer. Use high-speed, shielded cables. DisplayPort 1.4 or higher is recommended for optimal performance. Faulty or cheap cables can cause signal loss. Next, verify your input source. Use your monitor's on-screen display menu to manually select the correct input like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or DisplayPort. Monitors usually auto-switch inputs, but sometimes they get it wrong. Mismatched HDMI versions, such as using an HDMI 1.4 cable on an HDMI 2.1 device, can also cause problems. Finally, check your resolution and refresh rate settings. Make sure your computer's output matches what your monitor supports. Setting a refresh rate too high, like 144 Hz on a 60 Hz monitor, will cause detection failures. If these steps don't solve the problem, the issue may be with your GPU drivers, which we'll cover next. If your input sources are correctly configured, the problem might be outdated or faulty GPU drivers. These drivers are essential for communication between your graphics card and monitor. Update your drivers regularly. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. For AMD, use Adrenaline. These updates often include bug fixes specifically for monitor compatibility. For example, NVIDIA's GeForce Driver 572.XX series includes fixes for BenQ monitors. For a clean reinstall, use a Display Driver Uninstaller to completely remove old drivers before installing new ones. This prevents conflicts that can cause signal issues. Check compatibility between your GPU and monitor. Ensure your GPU firmware matches your monitor's specs. For example, RTX 40 series cards pair well with BenQ's HDR-capable models. Recent trends show that driver optimizations play a key role. Rolling back to a previous driver version can sometimes resolve issues if a new driver is problematic. If problems persist, check forums or contact BenQ support, and remember that BenQ's 2024 Plus models feature built-in self-diagnostic modes.